No, it's good. It's good.
We in the building.
We're in the building
Ghost.
again. Another ghost episode. I think we're in Ajax today. Gonna try to see if I can launch this drone across there. I've got a nice camera. Whoa, shit, it's fucking clear. Jeez, okay. I have, Hey, what's up? I'm here with the fellas. We're in Ajax. And
They free up the man them, so we have to come on and take a nice breeze out, you know?
exactly. So we're here. We left the ladies over there. So what did I do? I brought my drone. Brought my punk. Source One digital punk rock. This is a bad boy.
Look at that, that's too nice.
And it's hot.
Holy shit.
Yeah, man.
So explain how fast it's going right now.
So it's going about 40 kilometers an hour. Even when I'm cruising like this, it's 50 kilometers an hour.
Jeez.
I just hear it. I don't know where the fuck it went. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is now.
Yeah, that should be cool.
Because he gets most of the footage in there.
ghost.
Yeah.
Out here, man.
You know the famous
Boy.
B-roll footage.
Subscribe.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind if you guys subscribe since I go to these locations. You know, you guys are becoming like family now. You're seeing the ghost and his family and the kids and all that stuff. You might as well hit subscribe. You know, and soon the ghost sweaters will be for sale with the t-shirts. So if you're definitely interested in joining the ghost family and you want to support the ghost, hit like, subscribe, and cop one of the sweaters or t-shirts coming up soon on the next ghost.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Says she flirt with her boyfriend, but him have money and bling, so she go bed with him. Get disease, now it started spreading. She start to see when it's
You can tell when it comes in high picture.
Yeah, I see it.
When it comes on, when it comes inside. Like look, right there, look, the gun stays right there, it's gonna come in heavy.